Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some brand new Avatar World promo codes working in 2025. You can get a Avatar World promo code that you can apply in game, and it's going to unlock everything, guys. So you can unlock all the packs, places and furniture, pretty much everything in game. It's going to save you a bunch of money because I'm sure you're aware the in-app purchases in Avatar World are pretty expensive. So this method of getting an Avatar World promo code is super easy, and you can do this on your mobile phone. It's working on iPhone and Android. So go ahead, open up the internet on whatever mobile phone you have. Obviously have an internet connection as well, and you've got to go to www.robotcoupons.com. So just type it like this, guys, and go to Robot Coupons. This is an awesome coupon code website. I've used them for tons of other games, but they do have an Avatar World promo code page on here. So just search for that page by using the search bar. So there we go, guys, Avatar World promo codes. And as I mentioned, you can get all free gifts in Avatar World, and you can unlock all places, packs and characters in Avatar World. So this is basically an unlock all promo code. And you can see these Avatar World promo codes are limited in number. So when you choose your desired code, you will need to unlock your code. You can see it is a protected code, and this basically prevents someone coming on here and stealing all of the codes. So this limits one Avatar World promo code per person. This is the best Avatar World promo code that I found, so it is well worth doing this. So it does take a few minutes to unlock your code, but it is pretty easy. Everyone can do this. So you can see here, you're going to see this code unlocker, and it says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code and follow the instructions below each app. And this verifies you're not a robot. So you're going to have a list of completely free tasks, and you have to complete 2 of them. So for example, this one here, Darts Club, this is like a looks like a mobile app. It says follow the instructions on the next page. So you'd basically click on, if you choose that one, it says here you've got to search for that app in the App Store and install it. You may also see ones like this where it says complete level 7. So this is like a mobile game. So you'd click on it, download the game, and just complete until level 7. So just complete any 2 of these, and if you fully complete 2 tasks following the instructions, it will redirect you back to Robot Coupons, and whatever code you chose will be fully unlocked. Obviously I just skipped forward, but yeah, your code will be revealed and you can redeem it in game, and in this case it would unlock everything in game. So that is it, guys. Pretty easy. By far the best Avatar World promo codes that I've managed to find. So go to Robot Coupons and just search for the Avatar World promo codes, and yeah, that is going to save you a bunch of cash, guys, because the packs and stuff in Avatar World are really damn expensive. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or need any help, let me know. But yeah, you can see, guys, this is going to save you a ton of cash. So enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.